Welcome to the Measurement of Viscosity Lab. In Exercise 1, we'll be measuring the viscosity of an unknown liquid by timing the descent of spheres of known density.
We'll begin by measuring the average diameter of each sphere. We will also measure the mass of each sphere so that we can compute density.
We will also measure the mass of a known volume of an unknown liquid to determine its density.
Release the sphere as close to the surface as possible and time its descent with the stopwatch. Be sure to consider reaction time as appropriate.
In Exercise 2, we'll be investigating the temperature dependence of viscosity.
We've been provided with 2 samples of the unknown liquid located in the fridge.
We will heat one of the samples in a water bath using the electric kettle. You may use the microwave to heat the water, but do not use a microwave for the sample directly as it will melt the bottle.
Pour the heated water into a container and place the bottle inside. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Note that if you brought the water to boiling, you should dilute it a little with cold water, again to avoid bottle melting.
Using the thermometer, measure the ambient temperatures of the fridge and hot water bath. Make sure to leave sufficient time for the temperature reading to stabilize. Don't measure the sample's temperature directly. We will assume that they are in equilibrium with their surroundings.
We've been provided with the mass and the diameter of the spheres in the hot and cold samples. We'll flip the sample and time the descent of the sphere as before. We'll choose a sphere as close to those as possible and use the cylinder for a room temperature data point.
Thanks for watching the Measurement of Viscosity Lab. And remember, if you want to write your lab report faster, try turning up the heat.